Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the adorable pajamas I made for my dolls. Let's dive right in and check out these cozy outfits. First up we have this blue striped pajama, a shirt paired with comfy shorts. To make bedtime even more special, I added a cute sleep mask and matching slippers. Your dolls will be ready for a cozy night's sleep in style. Next I created a lovely purple robe. This is perfect for throwing on after a nice warm shower. The soft fabric and vibrant color make it a must-have for any doll's wardrobe. It's all about that cozy vibe. Now let's take a look at this green pajama. It comes with adorable socks and matching sleep mask. This outfit is perfect for those lazy days when your dolls just want to relax. And after a refreshing shower, don't forget about the towels. I made one for the body and smaller one for the hair. These towels are essential for keeping your dolls looking fresh and fabulous. Check out this pink elegant pajama. It consists of a light shirt and trousers paired with the cutest bunny-shaped slippers and a matching sleep mask. This outfit is perfect for a stylish sleepover. Last but not least, we have this cheerful yellow home suit. It features pants with fun stars and a comfy t-shirt. This is the nice outfit for a cozy day at home with your dolls. And there you have it, my collection of adorable pajamas for my dolls. I decided not to show the full instructions how to make this doll in this video, since this template is made in the same way as, for example, the template with spring clothes. So if you want to make this toy, I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can watch the full instructions for creating this doll. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!